Good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. Now, in 10th class, previous lecture of lecture 4, we already discussed that how we will find out the median of grouped data and median of ungrouped data. That we already discussed in previous lecture. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss the empirical relation between mean, mode, and median. What is the empirical relation? So first is relation is that mode is equals to 3 multiplied by the median minus 2 multiplied by the mean. That is the relation between mean, mode, and median. That is also known as empirical relation between mean, mode, and median. So mode is equals to 3 multiplied by the median minus 2 multiplied by the mean. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, इस पे 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है? इफ mean is 20, mode is 10, then find median using empirical relation. Mean given to you 20, mode is given to you 10, then find out the median. So using empirical relationship, mode is equals to 3 multiplied by the median minus 2 multiplied by the mean. So what is the value of mode? 10. 3 multiplied by the median minus 2 multiplied by the 10. Mean is 20. So 10 equals to 3 multiplied by the median minus 40. From here 3 multiply median is equals to 40 plus 10. So 3 median is equals to 50. So what is the value of the median? 50 upon 3, 16.66. So median is 16.66. Okay. So generally that empirical relation we will use to find if two central tendency, these mean, mode, and median are known as the central tendency. Central tendency 3. First is mean, second is mode, and third one is the median. These are the 3 central tendency. Okay. So if two central tendency is given to you, then how we will find out the third central tendency? By using empirical formula. So mean, mode, and median, all 3 are known as central tendency. So if word will come, measure the all 3 central tendency in the given following observation. So what we will find out here? We will find out here mean, mode, and the median. Understand? So now that is the important relationship between mean, mode, and the median. 1 मार्क्स में डायरेक्टली या तो फॉर्मूलाज कर लेते हैं या फिर वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट question is that how we will convert a class interval into a more than type or into a less than type. आपको class interval को convert करना है. So to convert class interval into less than type. So topic is how we will convert if a class interval is given to you, then into the less than type. Given to you a class interval and their frequency marks given, class interval and frequency. "10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Their frequency 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4. Question: convert that class interval into the less than type. So how we will convert into less than type? लेस देन टाइप में कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे इसको? Here marks. Now here frequency become the cumulative frequency. Along with less than, the frequency is converted into its cumulative frequency. So marks first is less than. And one more important thing is that in a less than we will take the upper class limit, and in more than we will take the lower class limit. So less than take upper class limit. So first less than 20, next is less than 30, next less than 40, less than 50 and less than 60. Now first less than 20, less than 20 only one student marks 1. Less than 30 2, less than 30 क्या है 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Less than 40, these all 3, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Less than 50, all 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. Less than 60, all, ये less than 60 है total. So 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 15. ऐड कर लो, 15 बनेगा आपका. Now how you will check that your answer is right or wrong? If the sum of all frequencies is equal to the last block of the cumulative frequency, then your convert it is right. Add करो 5, 6, 10 then 15. So your answer is correct. Understand students? So how we will convert a class interval into less than type? By making the cumulative frequency block. Next is to convert into more than type, or its converse procedure. To convert less than type into class interval. Question is that, question आपको क्या गिवन है? ये गिवन marks and cumulative frequency. Then how it will convert into the class interval. Question ये है, find the median of the following observation. So to find out the median of the following observation, first of all we will convert the given frequency distribution table in the form of class interval or not? First एक class interval में convert करोगे. So how we will convert it into the class interval form? So here class interval, cumulative frequency become the frequency. First less than 20, and we know that in less than type we consider the upper class limit. So upper limit is 20, meaning lower क्या बनेगी 10, because the interval 10 10 10 will come or not. Next 10 to 20 only 1. 30 meaning 20 to 30. So 20 to 30, how many students? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Next 30 to 40. 30 to 40, 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 6 is equals to 5. And last is 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 15 minus 11 is 4. And how you will check that your answer is correct or not? Then in previous one given class interval, that one table, their last observation 4 and in that also 4. That means your conversion is correct. So understand, first question is that how we will convert the class interval into the less than type. Second question is that how we will convert the less than type into the class interval. Next we will discuss more than type. Next is to convert class interval into more than type. So in more than type, take lower class limit मोर देन टाइप में आपको कौन सी लिमिट कंसीडर करनी है? दैट इज अ लोअर क्लास लिमिट. नाउ क्वेश्चन, सेंड मार्क्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स एंड देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Their frequency 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 6. So question is that convert the following distribution into the more than type. How we will convert it into the more than type? So आपको किसमें convert करना है? More than type. So how we will convert it into the more than type? Here will come marks and here cumulative frequency. Convert कर रहे हो, so frequency is converted into its cumulative frequency. First, more than. In more than type, we consider the lower class limit. So in first class, what is the lower limit? 0. More than 0. Second is more than 10. Third one is more than 20. Fourth is more than 30. Next, more than 40. Next, more than 50. Now cumulative frequency. More than 0. All are more than 0. All are more than 0 है, so add कर लो. क्या बनेगा? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6. That is the more than 0. Add करो. 6, 15, 20, 27, 30 and 32. More than 10. These all are more than 10. ये more than 10 है, इनको ऐड कर लो या फिर 2 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो. ऐड करो तो more than 10 के लिए क्या बनेगा? 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 which is equals to 30. More than 20 up to here, इनको ऐड कर लो. तो ऐड करोगे तो क्या बनेगा आपका? 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6, 9, 15, 20, then 27. More than 30. These number are more than 30. 7 plus 9 plus 6, 7, 9, 15, 15 and 7, 22. More than 40. These two. Last is the more than 40. 9 plus 6 is 15, and more than 50 only single. So that is the conversion of class interval into the more than type. And how you will check that your frequency distribution table for more than type is right or wrong? In cumulative frequency block, the last frequency is the 6, and in given question also last frequency is the 6. Last frequency 6 है, cumulative frequency block में भी last frequency 6 है, meaning is that your conversion is the right. Understand? Now it's a reverse question. A reverse question क्या है students? To convert more than type into class interval. So how we will convert the more than type into the class interval? Question just converse. Question given, then to convert क्लास इंटरवल इनटू क्लास इंटरवल. आपको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? क्लास इंटरवल में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो हाउ इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द क्लास इंटरवल फॉर्म? क्लास इंटरवल एंड सेकेंड इज द cumulative frequency only. More than 0, and we know in more than we will consider the which limit? Lower class limit. So more than 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. 0 to 10, 0 to 10 प्रोसीजर क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? So 0 to 10, 32 minus 32. 10 to 20, 10 to 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. 10 to 20 में क्या करोगे? 30 minus 27, 3. 30 minus 27. Next 20 to 30, 20 to 30 सब्ट्रैक्ट. 27 minus 22, 5. 30 to 40, 22 minus 15, 7. 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 15 minus 6 is 9, and 50 to 60 is as it is 6. Understand? Any problem? So question we discussed that how we convert more than type into the class interval and class interval into the more than type. How we will convert the less than type into the class interval and class interval into the less than type. So if question is that find the median of the following data. आपको question इस format में given है. Find the median of the following data. So to calculate the median, we required here the class interval, but here class interval is not given. So firstly, we will convert the given frequency distribution into the class interval. After converting into the class interval, we will find out the median. Understand? Now next topic is the ogive. What is the ogive? Ogive students आपके सिलेबस से रिमूव कर दिया गया है this year, but that is important topic. That's why we will discuss. Now ogive. So what is the ogive? It is the graphical representation between cumulative frequency and the class limit. So ogive is the graphical representation between the cumulative frequency and the class limit. Now there are two types of ogive. First is less than type and second is more than type. Two types of ogive. less than type ogive and second one is the more than type ogive. To draw the less than type ogive, we will convert the given class interval into the less than type. For more than type ogive, to draw the more than type ogive, given class interval को किसमें convert करोगे? more than type में convert करोगे. So we will discuss one by one. So first one is the less than type ogive. First is less than type ogive, and we know in less than type we consider the upper class limit. Frequency Ci and F 0 to 10, 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Then how we will draw the less than type ogive? आपको क्या करना है? इसका less than type ogive construct करना है. So for making the less than type ogive, firstly we will convert the given class interval into the less than type. अब इसको पहले किस में convert करोगे? Convert into less than type. इसको less than type में convert करूँ. That is marks and cumulative frequencies. Less than type में easily convert कर सकते हो. Less than type में consider करते हैं upper limit. So first less than 10, second less than 20, third less than 30, fourth less than 40, next less than 50 and last is less than 60. Their cumulative frequency 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 9, 27, 26 plus 11 that is 37. एडिशन कर लो, इसका चेक करो. 20, 27, 30, 35 and 37 करेक्ट है. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द ogive. लेस देन टाइप ogive बनानी है. सो हाउ वी विल मेक द लेस देन टाइप ogive? नाउ वी विल लोकेट द पॉइंट A. On x-axis we will take the class limit, whereas on y-axis we will take the cumulative frequency. क्या लेना है? X-axis is the class limit and on y-axis we will take the cumulative frequency. So point A class limit 10 CF2, point B coordinate 20,5, point C coordinate 30,10, point D coordinate 40,17, point E coordinate 50,26, point F coordinate 60,30. These points we will locate on the graph paper. इन points को किस पे locate करना? आपको graph paper पे locate करना है. So locate these points on graph paper. Cumulative frequencies and that is the class limit. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now here we will take 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. First point, A point coordinate is 10,2. So here 10,2, point A 10,2. Second B 20,5. 20,5 is here. 20,5. Third point 30,10. 30,10 is here. Point C 30,10. Next point D 40,17. 40,17. Point D 40,17. Point E 50,26. 50 and 26 here upright. 50,26. Point F 60,37. 60 and 37 approximate will come here. So point F 60,37. Now we will join these points. Point A, B, C, D. Point E, then point F. That is the less than type ogive. Less than type ogive. Understand? So less than type ogive की फॉर्मेशन के लिए क्या करोगे? Given class interval is converted into the less than type. Now with the help of ogive, how we will find out the median? Ogive से आपको median find out करना है. So how we will find out the median? So to find median, we find out n by 2. So what is here? N 37 upon 2, 1, then 17, 8.5, 18.5. Now we will point mark the 18.5 value on the CF. 18.5 something here. Draw the dotted line. That one. Then corresponding value will gives us the median. वो क्या बनेगी आपकी median value. So using graph easily we can find out the median. Firstly we will join that point 18.5 to the y-axis. After that corresponding value on x-axis which will gives us the median value. Meaning class limit की जो value होगी वो क्या होगी? Median value. Understand? So same you can draw more than type ogive also. More than type ogive भी बना सकते हो उसकी easily. Class interval convert into the more than type then draw. Suppose आपने more than type ogive भी formation कर लिया. That is more than type ogive. Easily more than type भी इसी form से convert होगी. Now the point at which both ogive are intersecting to each other, its corresponding value to x-axis which will gives us the median value. The point at which both ogives are intersecting to each other, whose corresponding value of the class limit which will gives us the median. Understand? So today that is the all about your chapter 14 of last exercise ogive, more than type and less than type. So today after watching that video, all students complete the chapter 14. In next lecture we will discuss the next chapter, that is the probability chapter 15. Understand? Thank you.